If you are still trading your time for money in 2026, you are playing the wrong game entirely. AI has completely changed the rules, and the people who understand this are quietly building income streams that work around the clock without them. Here are 7 ways to make your first $1,000 a month using AI, and every single one of them is beginner-friendly. Number 1, AI content writing services. Businesses desperately need blog posts, emails, social media captions, and website copy. With Claude AI and ChatGPT, you can produce professional quality content in minutes. Go to Upwork or Fiverr, offer content writing packages starting at $100, and use AI to deliver the work in under 30 minutes. 5 clients a month gets you $500 immediately. Number 2, AI thumbnail and graphic design. Every YouTuber, blogger, and business owner needs eye-catching visuals. With Canva AI and Midjourney, you can create stunning designs in minutes with zero design experience. Offer thumbnail packages on Fiverr for $30 to $50 each. 10 clients a month is $300 to $500. Number 3, AI Voiceover Services. Businesses, YouTubers, and podcasters constantly need professional voiceovers. ElevenLabs generates incredibly realistic voices in seconds. Charge $50 to $150 per voiceover project on Fiverr. Just 5 projects a month puts $500 in your pocket. Number 4, AI video creation. With tools like Pictory and InVideo, you can turn any script into a fully edited video automatically. Offer video creation services to businesses and personal brands. Charge $100 to $300 per video. 3 clients a month is $300 to $900. Number 5, AI Chatbot Setup. Small businesses are desperately looking for someone to set up AI chatbots for their customer service. You don't need to be a developer. Tools like Tidio and ManyChat make this simple. Charge $200 to $500 per setup. 2 clients a month, and you have hit your $1,000 goal already. Number 6, AI SEO Services. Every business wants to rank higher on Google. With AI tools, you can research keywords, write optimized content, and build SEO strategies in a fraction of the time it used to take. Offer monthly SEO packages for $200 to $500. 2 to 3 clients covers your income goal completely. Number 7, AI digital products. This is the most scalable income stream on this list. Create AI-generated ebooks, prompt packs, templates, and guides. Sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. You make them once, and they sell forever. One good digital product can make you hundreds of dollars every single month completely passively. Here's the most important thing I can tell you. You do not need to master all 7 of these. Pick one, get your first client, deliver great work, then scale. The people failing with AI are the ones trying to do everything at once. The people winning are the ones who pick one lane and go all in. Subscribe. Every week, we show you exactly how to build real income with AI. See you in the next one.